In the last two videos, we discussed about how you can make money by investing and renting your property. Today we will talk how to create an online business and generate passive income from those businesses. If you don't have savings and don't own many things, you can still generate residual income by creating an online business. This normally requires more time upfront, making it a bit less passive than other ideas. But if you stick with it for long enough, you will be able to recap the benefits and generate real passive income streams. Start your own online store. To be completely honest, having an e-commerce store isn't the most passive way to earn money. I included e-commerce in this list because if you set up your supply chain in a clever way, you could create a business that can make thousands of dollars a month with little effort to maintain it. There are several business models for an e-commerce website. Sell your own physical product. This is a lot of work and requires some capital to invest. But you could create something unique with a high profit margin. Dropshipping. You will not have to own stock. When someone purchases a product from your online store, the manufacturer will ship it directly to the customer. It's great as you don't have to handle deliveries and returns, but you don't have much control over quality and customer's experience. Sell other people's products. You get to sell many different products from the start, but it's hard to differentiate yourself and make a profit in a competitive market. If creating an online business is something that intrigues you, check out Shopify. Shopify is by far the best e-commerce platform out there. They have beautiful templates that will make designing your site a breeze. They also have lots of tools and add-ons to help you process payments, handle deliveries and returns, set up promotions and much more. Start a blog. Really? Yes, really. Blogging isn't 100% passive and requires a lot of hard work in the setup phase. Don't trust anyone who tells you that you can create a money-making blog in a week. But what I found out myself is that if you put in the hard work and are clever about what you write about, you can quickly generate traffic, and traffic equals demand. There are so many ways to make money blogging, some more passive than others. You can simply add advertising on your blog, or you can generate money using affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or create partnership with brands. Buy a blog. If starting a blog feels like too much work, how about purchasing a blog that is already making money? You can simply learn how to maintain it, but all the legwork will be done for you. The main advantage of buying a blog is saving time. Starting a blog and building an audience takes a lot of time and effort. By buying an already established blog, you can take a shortcut, as the design, the look, and social media accounts will be already set up. You will also be able to verify if that particular niche is profitable before you buy without the risk of spending months on an idea that won't get you anywhere. All this, of course, comes at a bigger cost than starting from scratch, but it could save you months and months of hard work. Websites like Flippa and Empire Flippers let you choose between thousands of blogs and online businesses for sale. You can inquire about current earnings and profit and get an idea of the work involved before you buy. It's worth considering if you want to explore the idea of having a blog that generates money from the day one. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my favorite way to produce passive income on gathering dreams. The idea is that you will research a potential niche that can be profitable. Use SEO techniques and advertising to drive traffic to your website, and earn money by getting a commission for recommending products or services. It takes time and effort to build a large audience, but you will earn a good income with very little work once you have created the correct platform. And that's why I love it. Write an ebook. Self-publishing is great. You write a book, get published, and then collect royalties for years to come. If you love writing content, you won't find it hard to write an 50 to 100 page ebook on the things you love. Make sure you pick a profitable topic and you market your book for bloggers and influencers in that niche. Non-fiction ebooks that educate your potential audience on specific topics like finance, online marketing, and business are going to make you more money than fiction. Of course, there are always exceptions, and you could write the next Harry Potter book. But if you want to create some residual income quickly, I'd suggest you go for what sells first. Using the Amazon Kindle Direct publishing platform is an easy way to get your book on Amazon as quickly as possible and start making some money. Make money publishing blank books. We talked about self-publishing just before, but let's be honest, writing a book is not easy feat, especially if you are not a professional writer. What if I told you that you could publish books without writing and still make money? Yup. Have you ever heard of low content self-publishing? With low content publishing, you will be creating books that are made with mostly blank internal pages. Think about diaries, planners, journals, notebooks, sketchbooks. With these types of books, as long as you have a good eye of design and pick a profitable niche with good demand, you won't have to write 50,000 words that possibly no one will read. Once you create a great book layout, you can simply keep it as a digital file. Use Amazon's print-on-demand service, hold no physical inventory, and collect passive royalties whenever a book sells. What's not to like? Teach your expertise. Teaching your skills by creating an online course has the potential to become a fantastic way to earn passive income. There are plenty of people that make a living by selling online courses. You can create videos, ebooks, checklists, and audio files to supplement your lessons and share your passion with others. Creating different courses at different prices can help you to maximize your chances of selling them. The best online websites that make it easy for you to sell your skills and create online courses are Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare. If you are seriously interested in generating passive income by starting an online course, a great place to start is the Teachable free webinar. Teachable offers free live training to help you launch your online course in no time. Flip domains for profit. This is the idea. You purchase domain name for cheap that can be valuable to companies in the future, and then you resell them for a profit. Some people made millions by purchasing the right domain's name. Although a lot of their success is due to luck, you need to do your own research and make sure you pick keywords that can make your money. A great place to start is to select a specific niche, narrowing your focus, and find out what domain names could sell well in that niche. If you want to try it out, make sure you don't spend a lot of money on a domain. Don't invest more than 10 to 100 bucks to start with. And remember, the money is in your sales abilities, not necessarily in the name. There is only one domain, and if someone wants it and you own it, your negotiation skills will make the difference between a small and big profit. Set up your YouTube channel. I won't lie, it's not easy to make money out of a YouTube channel. You will need to create quite a lot of video content before you can start to earn a significant amount of money. But if you pick the right niche and manage to create great and useful content, you will get organic traffic from YouTube and Google. You can make money by display ads on your channel and will get paid every time someone watches your video. On the plus side, great quality video content is relatively scarce compared to text-based content. Also, people prefer watching a 5-minute video recipe than reading a long set of instructions. Right now, the market is less competitive. If you have great video and editing skills, you should give it a try. License your photos. If you have a great eye for the perfect shot and friend keep telling you how beautiful your photos are, you can select the best picture from your hard drive and make money by selling them online. You don't have to be a professional to sell photos. You still have the opportunity to earn some money, even if you are just a novice. Most websites pay you based on the number of downloads. You get paid a percentage every time someone downloads one of your pictures. So once the pictures are uploaded, you will be earning passive income every time someone buys them. Best website to sell your photos online: Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock. Develop an app. Unless you are a developer yourself, building an app can cost quite a bit of money. But if you can get together with people with the right skills and come up with a clever idea, you will be able to generate a nice little income every time someone downloads your app. The best way to develop an app successfully is to look for gaps in the market and apps that will help people solve a problem. You can also look for apps that have been downloaded many times but have a terrible interface or poor user experience. If you think you can do something better, you should give it a shot. Passive income through any of the ideas above requires work, but it is possible to make money while you sleep. No matter what ideas to make money you go for, you might have to sacrifice time, but if you want it badly enough, it will be worth it. My favorite passive income ideas are buying index funds and ETFs, investing in a rental property, creating a blog. Remember, if you want to achieve financial freedom and quit your job, you need to start thinking about earning passive income too.